What's your name? What's your name? My name is Lakshmi. My name is Lakshmi. How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from India. I am from India. How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. Are you busy? Are you busy? No, I am free. No, I am free. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Can you help me? Can you help me? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. What's this? What's this? It's a book. It's a book. Is this your bag? Is this your bag? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Delhi. I live in Delhi. Do you like tea? Do you like tea? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? No, I don't. No, I don't. What time is it? What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going home. I am going home. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am reading a book. I am reading a book. Are you happy? Are you happy? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Is he your friend? Is he your friend? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. Is she your sister? Is she your sister? No, she is not. No, she is not. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Blue is my favorite color. Blue is my favorite color. Do you play cricket? Do you play cricket? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Can you drive? Can you drive? No, I can't. No, I can't. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Where is my phone? Where is my phone? It's on the table. It's on the table. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you thirsty? Are you thirsty? No, I am not. No, I am not. What's your hobby? What's your hobby? Reading book. Reading books. Do you like music? Do you like music? Yes, I love music. Yes, I love music. Who is he? Who is he? He is my brother. He is my brother. Who is she? Who is she? She is my friend. She is my friend. What's your father's name? What's your father's name? His name is Raj. His name is Raj. Do you have a bike? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. It is raining. It is raining. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? It's sunny. It's sunny. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Yes, please. Yes, please. May I come in? May I come in? Yes, come in. Yes, come in. Are you at home? Are you at home? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? Sure, sure. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yes, I am okay. Yes, I am okay. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? It's in July. It's in July. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I like pizza. I like pizza. Do you watch TV? Do you watch TV? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you use YouTube? Do you use YouTube? Yes, every day. Yes, every day. Shall we go? Shall we go? Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Thank you, you too. Thank you, you too. फ्रेंड्स, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें।